Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you are all doing fine. So we are back on your favorite learning platform, Learn Forward, and we are going to study from Feather Cap, People and Places. This is chapter number 16, Caring and Sharing. So, what is caring? When you care for others, it is caring. This is a very good habit when you care for others. And what is sharing? When you share your things with others, that is sharing. जब आप दूसरे की केयर करते हो और दूसरों के साथ अपनी चीज़ें शेयर करते हो, दैट इज़ योर केयरिंग एंड शेयरिंग. और हर किसी को केयरिंग और शेयरिंग करना सीखना चाहिए, बिकॉज this is how you make good friends, or this is how you make feel others good. So in this chapter we are going to study that only, that how can you care for others and how do you share your things with others. So let's start now. My parents look after me, they work hard to earn money. My parents, मेरे मम्मा पापा, मेरे पेरेंट्स मेरा ध्यान रखते हैं, and they work very hard to earn money. My parents work hard to earn money. What do? They buy food, they buy clothes and other things. वो खाना खरीदते हैं, क्लोथ्स खरीदते हैं हमारे लिए, और जो भी चीज़ आपको चाहिए होती है. Mother keeps the house clean. So a mother do a lot of things in the house. She cooks the food, she keeps the house clean. So mama क्या करती हैं? She keeps the house clean. She cooks food for the family. So these are some things which every mother do for their family. My parents help me with the homework. So my parents also help me with the homework. My parents look after me when I am sick. So जब हम लोग बीमार होते हैं, हमारा ध्यान कौन रखता है सबसे पहले? Our parents, right? So जो parents होते हैं वो हमारा ध्यान रखते हैं जब हम sick होते हैं, बीमार होते हैं. I also love and help my parents. So जैसे हमारे पेरेंट्स हमको इतना ज़्यादा प्यार करते हैं, हमारी केयर करते हैं, हेल्प करते हैं, we should also help them and love them. I look after my younger sister and brother. So if you have any younger sibling, और अगर आपका कोई elder brother या sister है, so वो आपका ध्यान रखते होंगे. Otherwise अगर आपका कोई छोटा sibling है, आप उनका ध्यान रखते होंगे. I welcome and serve the guest. So if any guest ever come to your house, you welcome them, you serve them. I bring milk and bread from the shop. So there are some things which you can get from the shop. So in this chapter we are seeing that the boy bring milk and bread from the shop. My parents feel happy when I help them. So whenever you help them, whenever you help your parents with any small thing, they will always feel happy. Now, classroom activities. Some activities are given below. Write against who does it in your family. F for father, M for mother, G for grandparents and Y for you. So, इस एक्टिविटी में कुछ हमें ऐसे एक्टिविटीज़ दे रखी हैं कि कुछ ऐसे एक्शंस दे रखे हैं कि वो कौन करता है घर में. So, you will write F for father. If your father does it, you have to write F. If your mother does it, write M for mother, G for grandparents if your grandparents does it, and Y if you do it yourself. Now, first, cooks food. So, in most of the households, mothers cook food. So, write M. Second, helps you in your studies. So, if your mother's help you in your studies, write M. If your father help you, then F. And if your grandparents help you, write G. So, I am going to write M. Now, who cleans the house? Mothers clean the house. Tells you stories. So grandparents tell us a lot of stories. So I'm going to write G here. Plays with you. So sometimes our parents plays with us and sometimes our grandparents also plays with us. So you have to write who plays with you. I'm going to write father. Teaches you good habits. Who teaches us? Actually, everyone in the house teaches us good habits. So you can write anyone who teaches you good habits in this blank. Goes to market to buy things. So my father goes to market, or I also go to market to buy things. So I'm going to write Y, which is for yourself. Now 8, lays the dining table. Who lays the dining table? If you do lay the dining table, then write Y, and if your father or mother does, then write F for father and M for mother. Now assess yourself. A, take the correct answer. First, work hard to earn money. So our parents work very hard to earn money. So B point is the answer. Second, dash keeps the house clean. My mother keeps the house clean. So A, mother is the answer. I dash my younger sister or brother. I serve, I beat, or I look after. So I look after my younger sister or brother. Now take the correct sentences and cross the wrong ones. So first is your my parents do not help me. जो चीज सही है उसके आगे आपको टिक करना है और जो चीज गलत है you have to cross it. My parents do not help me. So that is wrong. Every parent help their child. Second, I serve the guest. Yes, that is right. Third, my parents help me with my homework. Yes, that is also true. Correct. Now, fill in the blanks. These are some words which are given which you have to fill in the blank. I also dash my parents. So, I also help my parents. Second, my parents dash after me. So, my parents look after me. Third, I bring dash and bread from the shop. I bring milk and bread from the shop. Fourth, my mother dash food for the family. My mother cooks food for the family. So, these are the answers for C. So, we have completed the chapter. If you have any problem, you can watch the video again. Thank you so much. Happy learning.